Hi guys! I'm unpacking this Thrill Seekers custom seat. This box has been sealed. Haven't even opened it yet. I have been dying to open this. How cute this box is. This sticker. I mean, who could have guessed, right? So I had this custom made. I have been waiting for months for them to come back out with this cheetah print fabric. And I'm sorry, what? This has my name written all over it. I'm so excited. What's fucked up? The day I ordered this seat cover, they came out with a lightning bolt version that has a big lightning bolt around the top of it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, if you know me, I love lightning bolts, cheetah print, and checkered print. But they also came out with a croc print. And I wish I would have waited. If I would have known, I would have gotten the croc print right here because my Harley has croc print on it too. But I'm still in love with it. Let's get started. So I'm using a flathead to take these staples out. This isn't my first rodeo. I've done this a few times. It is a pain in the ass, but we'll get there. Grab yourself I usually just grab 10 snips, some shit, try and pop these babies out. It's kind of a pain in the ass. There's a ton of staples to keep that fabric tight, but it is what it is. Shaved off about 2.5 inches of my seat at my weld shop. So it helps my little small tushy sit more comfortably on my bike. Time to staple it. This used to be lime green, and whoever owned this bike, I think, left it out in the sun. So these little yellow pieces used to be neon, because if you flip it, see how bright it is? So I'm gonna have to make sure that I keep this seat out of the sun so the pink doesn't fade. Like office staples. They don't even look like industrial staples. They're so tiny. This guy and this guy. That's crazy. Okay, so if we do it like that. So I made little holes inside the fabric so the fabric goes underneath the mount. Let's hope that it works. Hell yeah, buddy. It looks so good. It's like nice and clean. Pull this as tight as possible. You get all these freaking indents and stuff in the seat that you don't want. So like you want it to be like super tight so it looks good because you don't like wrinkles. You know, I thought to myself, this is gonna be such a bitch to try and film and do at the same time. But honestly, I'm worried about this 2.5 inch drop. There's like a big divot right here. Other side, moment of truth, I'm gonna take all these bucket staples out. Well, not all of them, but